Welcome back to My Digital Diaries, and this is our series Tools Every Coder Must Know. Today we are exploring a tool which quietly becomes best friend of every developers when working with API, and that tool is Swagger. So in this video we are going to answer 4 powerful questions about Swagger. So stay with me till the end of the video. This tool can literally save your lot of development hours. Before moving ahead, if you are new to the channel, then do consider subscribing to the channel and click on notification bell. If you like this video, this series, do share this with your friends and colleagues. So let's start today's episode in Tools Every Coder Must Know, and today's tool is Swagger. Let's start with what is Swagger. Imagine landing in a new city. You don't know the roads, you don't know the shortcuts, you don't know the stops. Without a map, you will get lost in that city. APIs are like that city. The roads are endpoints, but without guidance, a developer don't know how to navigate, how to use those APIs. That's where Swagger comes into the picture. Swagger is the map for API. So how will you define what is Swagger? Swagger is an open source framework that helps you to design, to build, and to document REST API. It describes every API in a clear and standard way. It gives you the path, it gives you the methods, the input parameter, and the expected output. Everything is documented by the Swagger. So instead of guessing or emailing your teammate or waiting for a teammate, Swagger gives you an interactive API map which is always up to date. You can utilize that without interacting with any team members. You can easily understand complete API. So that's the power of the Swagger. So Swagger is an open source framework that helps you to design, build, and document the REST API. Have you ever tried to use an API with half the documentation? It will feel like you are assembling the IKEA furniture with missing steps in between. Frustrating, right? Swagger solves the problem. It used because it keeps the API documentation clear and consistent. It makes APIs easy to understand for both human as well as machine. It allows you to do a quick testing without writing an extra code. Imagine a front-end developer building a shopping app. Without a Swagger, they will wait for a backend developer to provide the instruction how to use that API through a messy document or an email. With Swagger, it is very easy. They just have to open the Swagger UI. It will give you the complete details about the API, the endpoints, the input required, the expected output. Everything is provided by the Swagger. No endless back and forth is required. No wasted hours. So Swagger becomes the single source of truth, and that is very important. Swagger becomes the single source of truth. There is no discussion on that, no misunderstanding, nothing. It's clear and standard. So that's the reason why the API developers and the backend developers prefer to have Swagger. So how to use Swagger? Let's say you are building a shopping app API. In shopping app API, you got the product list as well as the add to cart item API. Normally what you will do, after building those API, you will document in a PDF and or explain it in the meeting to the backend developers or front-end developers. But with Swagger, your API itself will explain all the endpoints. How? So how it can be done is like you need to add Swagger dependency in your code, whatever code you are using. So depending on that code, you can add your Swagger dependency. Once that is added, you just have to run your application. Once you run your application and then you can go swagger-ui HTML, you will instantly see all your endpoints listed on that page. It is a dashboard for you. Not only that dashboard will also allow you to test your all endpoints. There is a button called Try It Out on that dashboard where you can try all your endpoints by sending a request to your product API or add to cart API, and then it will provide you the instantly the result also. You do not have to write any Postman collections or write any extra code. It's so easy and simple. So this makes your API documentation a living and breathing playground where you can play with your APIs. What advantage Swaggers provide? So let's see the advantages of Swagger. The first is the clarity. APIs are always well documented, so you will get clarity about those APIs. Second is a time saving. No need to write any doc manually, so you will be saving your time. Third is the interactive testing. You can test your API instantly. So there is an interactive testing using the dashboard of Swagger. Code generation. The Swagger also provide you the snippets of your code using Java or maybe Python or a JavaScript. So automatic code generation is there. So that code snippets you can use for every API. And the standardization. So everyone will understand the same language, as the Swagger will be talking in same language. So the API language will be common. So it is a standardized. So these are the advantages provided by the Swagger. Imagine building an e-commerce app platform without a Swagger. Front-end and back-end teams will continuously communicate that what this endpoint does, how to use it, what are the parameters required. Everything is they will discuss and they will spend time on the discussion. All those time will get saved by using the Swagger. As when you are using a Swagger, the front-end team just has to go to the Swagger dashboard and understand what endpoints they want to use. The snippets of a code is also provided there. They can test that API directly from that dashboard. So it's so easy and it will be helpful. So that's why it is a good friend of a developer. So this was the Swagger. So whether you are building a small project or a global app, Swagger is your API's best friend. It tells your story, it connects your team and makes your API shine. This video was a part of a Tools Every Coder Must Know series only on My Digital Diaries. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, do share this video with your friends and colleagues. And of course, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell. Thank you. Thanks for watching.